Hello everyone, how are you guys? I hope you guys are doing well. Myself Ujjwal Mondal and I'm an aspiring data analyst, and today I'm going to show you my latest Power BI project that I have crafted with the journey of Code Basics Bootcamp 3.0. So in these presentations, I will be talking about company overview, business model, problem statement, objective, report overview, dashboard and key insights and recommendations. So let's start with the company overview. So folks, today's presentations is based on Atlic Hardware is an imaginary brand. So Atlic is a leading global consumer electronics brand specialized in wide range of hardware products like PCs, mouse, keyboards and many more. With a strong presence in multiple countries, and the company continuously involves and innovate to bring cutting edge technologies for homes and workplaces worldwide. So folks, now understand their business model thoroughly. So they have three business model, or you can say selling channel, like retailer, director, distributor. So through retailer, they are selling their product like Amazon and Chroma. Through direct model, they have their own store like Atlic e-store, Atlic exclusive, and through distributor like Neptune, they are selling their product to consumer. So for Atlic, their customer is Chroma, Amazon, Atlic exclusive, Atlic e-store, Neptune, and all these companies are selling their product through. Let's simplify it in this chart. As you can see, Atlic Hardware, and they are selling their product in Chroma, Amazon, Atlic e-store, exclusive. These two are their own. Even though Neptune, let's say they want to sell their product in China, so they are selling their product in China through Neptune. Neptune is a distributor. Atlic Hardware has their own manufacturing plant and they have their own warehouse also. So they are selling their product to Chroma, Flipkart, Vijay Sales, etc. So some of the platforms, like they are working with Chroma, Best Buy, Amazon, Flipkart. These are separated in two models like brick and mortar and e-commerce. And also understand this, for Atlic, their customers are Chroma, Best Buy, Staples and Flipkart, for whom they are selling their products, and person who are going to buy the product are the consumers. Now let's understand about the problem statement. So Atlic is a fast growing electronic company that faced setbacks in Latin America due to decision based solely on service and intuitions. So these choices resulted in significant financial losses. So they want a solutions. Also they want to look that where they can improve or what are the market they are growing. And secondly, Atlic senior management is now investing in data analytical project to enhance their data driven decision, and the objective is to leverage analytics for actionable insights, driving business growth and efficiency. Previously, they reliant on Excel file, and now Atlic senior management understand that, and now they are seeking more robust data analytical solution to accommodate the company growth and enhance their everyone. Now let's understand the project Business Insight 360. So this is the home page of the project. As you can see, I have used the logo of the company Atlic Hardware, and this is the name of the project Business Insight 360, and these are some points that I have covered, like info, finance view, sales view, marketing view, supply chain view, executive view, and also I have mentioned that the values are in dollars and millions. Also on the right side you can see the sales data loaded time. So whenever the report will be refreshed, the date and time will be automatically updated in the footer sections. So now let's jump into the finance view. So in this finance view, you can see that I have used so many slices over there, like religion, market, customers, segment, and also you can see that I have used the fiscal years like 2018 to 2022. Also I have the quarters. Also I have a benchmark like last year versus target. These two are included in the benchmark section. Now you can see that I have used some KPI card over there. First one is net sales, second one is GM percentage, gross margin percentage, and third one is net profit percentage. So here also you can see that there is something mentioned like BM, and I already told you that BM refers to these two selection. That means versus LOI versus target. When I will be choose the versus target, you can see the difference over there. Now let's choose 2021. So here you can see that the BM is blank. That means there is no data for the BM. That means target. So we have only target for 2022. So here you can see that in the below section I have a matrix visualization where you can see I have mentioned all the gross sales, pre-invoice deduction, net invoice sales, post-invoice deduction, and all these measures over there. And similarly on the other side you can see that I have an area chart over there, and that shows you the selection, whatever the measures you are selection. Like let's say I'm going to select the manufacturing cost, So according to the manufacturing cost, the area chart will be reflect. So here you can see that the selection is manufacturing cost. So and the year is 2020-22. So here you can see this will show you the performance of the manufacturing cost according to the year. Now let's talk about two more metrics over there. Like first one I have created through region and second one is segment. Segment is nothing but product, you can say product category. So first of all, the region is divided into PNL values and PNL change percentage. Here you can also maximize the options. Like let's say I'm going to select USA. So according to USA, all the measures and metrics will be changed. Going forward, let's move into the sales view. In this sales view also you can see that I have used all the slicer like region, market, customers, segment, category. Even though I have the fiscal years over there, quarters are there. Also I have the benchmark what is last year versus target. Now talking about the next visuals, which is customer performance. It is a table that shows the customer performance based on net sales, gross margin and gross margin percentage. Also you can see some validations are there in the gross margin percentage. So this is applied for the target basis. So if Amazon achieve their target for 2020-22, then it will be normal, otherwise it will be red. Also you can see I use a tooltip over there. So this tooltip will show you the performance in the basis of net sales and gross margin for each and every customers. No matter whether you are going to select anyone like Walmart, you can see the Walmart performance, you can see Amazon performance. So this tooltip I have created and applied for these visuals only. Now moving into the product performance visuals, I use a metric visuals over there, and here you can see this is also based on net sales, gross margin percentage. So suppose we want to see the Amazon overview. So we are going to select Amazon, and let's say from Amazon we are going to select any accessories for like mouse, we can say. So now we are able to see Amazon performance into the category section of mouse. Right top side you can see a scatter chart where there was an also a slicer are there. You can move the slicer to get the best view for yourself. Move into the donut chart. Here I use the donut chart to show the net sales, post invoice deduction, pre-invoice deduction percentage, and side by side the total COGS and the gross margin. COGS refers to the cost of goods sold that are included for a product. Here in the marketing view, so as you can see like similar so all these slices are over there for slice and dice the report. By using all the slices, you can slice and dice the reports according to our needs. So here also you can see that there is a visual called product performance overview. So I use a metrics over there, metrics visualization, show you the product performance. So here also I use the net sales, gross margin percentage, and on the below you can see a next visual that I have created for region, market and customer performance. Here you can choose the region, whether it is Australia, it is US, it is India. You can choose accordingly, and you can see the net sales, gross margin percentage, net profit and profit margin calculations. And also folks, on the right top side you can see a scatter chart over there, and I already used a toggle over there. So if you want to show the gross margin percentage, you just have to click on the gross margin percentage section. Here you will be able to see the gross margin percentage scatter chart on the basis of gross margin and net sales. Net profit percentage, you just have to click on the net profit percentage to redirect the net profit percentage scatter plot chart. Now talking about the unit economics, so here I use a pie chart to showcase the total COGS and gross margin basis on the selections, and also side by side there is a waterfall chart where you can see the gross margin, net profit and operation expense. So let's say I'm going to choose desktop over there, and here you can see the gross margin, net profit and the operation expenses through this waterfall chart. Let's go to the supply chain overview. So guys, again in the supply chain overview, even though you guys all know that for supply chain overview the forecast accuracy is very important measures, so I have created the forecast accuracy percentage as a KPI and the net error and absolute error. So here you can see the forecast accuracy percentage and the last year accuracy percentage. Also each and every KPI I use the last year so that you can understand whether Atlic Hardware is growing or Atlic Hardware is not growing. Side by side, on the below section, I use a table to show the key metrics by customer. Here you can see the customer names over there on the basis of forecast accuracy percentage last year, net error percentage, and risk. And side by side, you can see there is a key metrics by product. It is also a metric visualization where I use the segment, and I used on the basis of forecast accuracy percentage last year, net error percentage, and risk. So these two are like similar, but the first one is based on the customer and the second one is based on the segment, like the category of the product, like desktop, accessories, notebook, storage, etc. Also on the top right side, you can see I use a line clustered column chart over there to showcase the net error, forecast accuracy, and forecast accuracy last year on the basis of the fiscal year. So I have select the Atlic eStore over there, and in the line and cluster chart, you can see this yellow line refers to the forecast accuracy last year, and this blue line refers to the forecast accuracy till date. So we have the data till December, that is why it is showing until December, and this blue line is refers to the net error. So on the basis of selection, you can able to see the graph is changing. So it will be easy to making any decisions on the basis of the forecast accuracy, last year accuracy, and the net error. So now moving into the next view, which is executive view. So guys, in this executive view, I have already mentioned that I am going to select all the slices over there. So here you can see I have used some KPIs like net sales, GM percentage, net profit, and forecast accuracy. Also you can see that I have mentioned the BM, which is benchmark, that is depend on the versus last year and target. So and below side, you can see a table over there. I have created these tables on the basis of subzone, net sales, RC percentage, gross margin percentage, net profit percentage, Atlic percentage, risk, and net error. So on this basis of selection, you can able to see the percentage. Also you can see in the GM percentage there is a drop down. So these drop downs refers to our target. There is a validation available on the basis of icons. If the GM percentage is able to achieve the target GM percentage, then definitely this will be null, otherwise this will be showing as a drop down. And here you can see on the top right side there are two donut chart. In this donut chart, I used to showcase the revenue by division and revenue by channel. Like the first division is revenue by first division is PC, PNA, and NAS, and the second donut chart is showing you the revenue by channel, like retailer, director, and distributor, what are their contribution is. Now guys, also on the below section, I have top 5 customers by revenue and top 5 customer by top 5 product by revenue. These are the metrics visualization. Here you can see there the top 5 was Amazon, Atlic eStore, Atlic Exclusive, Flipkart, Sage. Also on this matrix, you can see there are some drop down in the GM percentage. So I already explained you these drop down on these are the validations I have used. These are the conditional formatting on the basis of icons. So if they achieve their target, then the validation will be normal. Otherwise it will show the drop down over there, which will be a sign of not achieving the target. By the way, we have only data for PC section. That is why I use this revenue chart to showcase the PC market share and PC how they are improving, how Atlic are improving in the PC sector. So here you can see that the PC section Atlic is growing. So in here you can see that in 2021 Atlic market share was only 1.06%. And in 2022, Atlic market share was 5.87%, guys. So Atlic Hardware is increasing their sales. Also, you can see in India, if we talk about the India, so here you can see from 2018 to 2021, Atlic was a very low market share. It was 2.45. But in 2022, Atlic is booming, and now their market share is 13.26, and they are like growing very fast. You can see their competitor but in the Latin America, that is the problem of Atlic that they are facing. So in the Latin America section, you can see that there is no growth of Atlic Hardware. Last but not the least, you can see there is a icon bar over there. I have created this icon bar. You can go to any view by clicking on the icons over there. Even though I want to go to the home page, then I just have to click on the home page section. So I have created the embed link over there so that I can toggle everywhere I want to go with in the project. Thank you guys for viewing my presentations. Please let me know where I can improve more and don't forget to like the post. Thank you.